For the leakage and water seepage from cracks on external wall, following repair procedure has to be followed. Clean the surface using wire brush. If there are small hairline cracks up to 5 mm observed on external wall plaster surface, open up the cracks with a scraper, clean the cracks and fill it with Dr. Fixit Crack X paste. After crack filling is done, let it dry for 2 to 3 hours and then follow the standard painting process. If cracks in external wall plaster are bigger than 5 mm, following repair process needs to be executed. Open the cracks in V groove. Clean the crack. Apply bond coat of Dr. Fixit Super Latex, mixing ratio of 1 kg Super Latex, 1 kg cement. After applying bond coat, fill the groove with polymer modified repair mortar. Let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. If plaster has hollow surface sound, follow below repair application procedure. With the hammer, check the hollow sound surface. Go up to brick level. Clean the surface. Apply bond coat on the brick surface. Mixing ratio 1 part of Super Latex mixed with 1 kg cement. Fill construction joint gaps, brick gaps, Siporex block gaps with Super Latex polymer modified mortar. Mixing ratio 1:3:10:30. Level this PMM. Apply first coat of Super Latex with cement in the mixing ratio of 1 kg Super Latex and 1.5 kg cement. Let the first coat dry for 4 to 6 hours. Then again apply second coat, which should be 90 degrees to the first coat. Let these two coats dry for 48 hours. Apply primer and paint as per standard painting procedure.